If you are over 40 and you still do not have a clear investment order, you are not behind.
You are just one decision away from changing everything.
But if you keep investing randomly, without a system, you will keep getting random results.
Stay with us, because in the next 4 minutes, we will give you the exact order that smart investors follow.
And most people never learn until it is too late.
Here is the truth nobody says out loud.
Most people in their 40s are putting money into the wrong place first.
They skip steps. They invest in stocks before clearing high-interest debt.
They ignore their employer match while trying to pick winning funds.
And then they wonder, why is my money not growing?
The problem is not the amount you invest.
The problem is the order.
And step number 2, this is where most people leave $10,000 on the table every single year.
We will get there in 60 seconds.
Think of your money like water flowing through pipes.
If the first pipe has a crack, it does not matter how much water you pour in.
You lose it before it reaches you.
The smartest order to invest fixes those cracks first, then builds wealth on top.
Step 1, build a 1-month emergency fund.
Not 3 months, not 6, just 1 month first.
Why? Because without this, any unexpected bill forces you to break your investments.
You are not being conservative. You are protecting your momentum.
For someone earning $4,000 a month, that is just $4,000 sitting in a high-yield savings account.
Do this first, always.
Step 2, capture your full employer match.
If your company matches up to 5% of your salary into a 401k or pension, and you are not contributing that 5%,
You are refusing free money.
this is not investing. This is refusing a pay raise.
Over 20 years, that free match alone, compounded, can add over $100,000 to your retirement.
Step 2, before anything else.
Now, step 3 is where it gets interesting.
Because this is the step that separates people who feel rich.
From people who actually become rich.
Step 3, eliminate high-interest debt.
Credit cards, personal loans, anything above 7% interest.
Here is the psychology. Paying off a 20% interest card is a guaranteed 20% return.
No stock market gives you that guarantee. None.
At 40 plus, every year you carry that debt is a year your investments have to work harder just to break even.
Step 4, max out your tax-advantaged accounts.
Your Roth IRA, your ISA, your TFSA, whatever your country offers.
These accounts let your money grow without the government taking a cut.
Over 20 years, the tax savings alone can be worth more than your initial investment.
Most people skip this and go straight to a brokerage account.
That is a costly mistake.
Step 5, now, and only now, invest in index funds and broader markets.
Why last? Because now every dollar you invest is working at full power.
No debt draining it, no taxes eroding it, no emergencies breaking it.
This is the order that turns a 45-year-old with nothing saved.
Into someone who retires with dignity.
Not luck, not timing, just order.
The smartest investors are not the ones who know the most stocks.
They are the ones who follow the right order at the right time.
If this gave you clarity, subscribe to Rise and Capitalize.
Because every week, we give you one financial move that actually changes your future.
Your next video is already waiting for you.
Watch it. Your future self will thank you.